If you've ever been told to just do your Kegels to prep for birth, then I want you to pause right there because what if I told you that Kegels might actually make your birth harder? Yep, you heard me. The same exercise that's supposed to help your pelvic floor could actually be working against you when it comes time to push the baby out. In this episode, I'm breaking down the truth about Kegels, what your pelvic floor really needs before birth, and what to do instead so that you have an easier, smoother, and more confident birth experience. So stick with me to the end because I'm also sharing a quick 2-minute daily exercise that works way better than Kegels to get your body truly ready for birth. Now, here's a question for you. If your pelvic floor is supposed to stretch and release to let your baby out, then why would tightening it over and over again actually help? Exactly. Most moms don't realize that Kegels teaches your muscles to hold on when what you actually need is to let go. Now, let's unpack this because once you understand what's really going on down there, then you'll see birth prep totally different. So here's the deal. Kegels are those squeeze and lift exercises that people say to do whenever you're at a red light, when you're brushing your teeth, or you're even standing in line. They're great for helping with things like bladder leaks or strengthening your pelvic floor after birth, but not always the best for birth prep. Why is that? Well, because birth isn't about clenching. It's about opening, it's about relaxing and releasing. If you're constantly tightening those muscles without learning how to release them, then you can end up with what is called a hypertonic pelvic floor, meaning that your pelvic muscles are simply too tight. And when your pelvic floor is too tight, then your baby has to work harder to come down. And that can lead to things like longer pushing stages, more tearing, or even more pain postpartum. You don't want that. And the good news is you don't have to end up there. So if Kegels aren't the move, then what should you be doing instead to make birth easier and to protect your pelvic floor? What your body really needs for birth is balance, strength, and flexibility. The secret isn't tightening, it's in learning how to connect, how to relax, and release those muscles. So here's what I teach my clients. Pelvic floor down training, which means learning how to let go of tension through deep breathing and intentional relaxation. I also teach squats and hip openers. Now, these mimic the positions that your body naturally uses during birth. And lastly, diaphragmatic breathing. It connects your breath to your pelvic floor, helping you to relax when contractions actually start. Think of it like this. Kegels are like slamming on the brakes every day, whereas pelvic release work, that's like learning to ease off the gas when it's time to coast through birth. Okay, so here's your daily challenge. Every day, I want you to spend 2 minutes doing this release and breathe exercise. Now, all you have to do is just sit comfortably on the edge of your chair or a birthing ball. Then I want you to place your hand on your belly or on your pelvic area. And from there, take a deep inhale through your nose, feeling your belly and your pelvic floor expand downward. And finally, exhale slowly through your mouth and let your body soften. I want you to do that 10 times. That's it. It's simple but powerful. And over time, it actually teaches your body how to relax and release during labor, which actually makes your baby's descent smoother and your recovery faster. So here's the question that you need to ask. Are you training your body to clench or are you training your body to release? Because one leads to tension and tears and the other actually leads to calm, confident birthing energy. Now, if this episode made you think, wait, why didn't anyone tell me this sooner? You're exactly who I created my Bump to Bundle blueprint for. Inside the course, I walk you through step by step on how to prepare for labor, for birth, and postpartum. It's everything I wish every first time mom knew before labor even starts. So if you're serious about having a smoother, more empowered birth, click the link in the description and check out Bump to Bundle Blueprint today. And if you found this helpful, you're going to love this next video. I want you to check out the one birth position that no one talks about, but every mom should try. I'll meet you there. Go check it out now.